Write Yourself Well collaborated with Teas and Empathy to create a series of workshops that culminated in an open mic night as part of the Beach of Dreams Festival. So we started with a workshop run by Sarah, who runs Teas and Empathy, and she created some beautiful mandalas on the beach and had some great fun, writing and thinking all things beach related. And then I hosted the second workshop where we created fake haikus, which I called Faikus, and we responded to poems that existed by both classic and contemporary poets surrounding the beaches. And then at our open mic night, we had an incredible range of poets who had joined in with the workshops, sharing what they had written during those workshops and off of the back of them. So I thought I'd just share a few of their words. 3 brown swifts swoop scantily around my sandy feet. Muscles cracked, seagulls peck, dinner. Concrete lines meet sea, hidden in plain sight, our failing system's plight. You are life, I am alive. May I join you? This beach is sand now, still lined with wrecks. We learn how the tides have treated them. Dogpile on Redcar beach, I cry, curling of crap while others say the beacon. Backs curved as gentle waves, ocean shades, uncovered treasure. 10 chimneys, shadows, sharp, triangular. Ribbons, salted and sanded for mermaids' hair. Island of seaweed eroded by the stream, heading determinedly to sea. Litter pickers, a reminder, people do care. Red splash, colour behind her hair, brightens the day. Huge thanks to all of the participants, my events coordinator G, and our wonderful volunteer photographer, Other G. We hope to see you at the next event.